Hi, very good morning. Last previous class, let's stop with objectives of management. In the first chapter, part 1, first chapter, nature and significance of the management. In this very important topic, 4 marks, very important, the objectives of the management. The objectives can be broadly classified into 3. One is organizational objectives, another one is social objectives, third one is personal or individual objectives. See, 3 broad classifications of the objectives of management. This is very important for 4 marks. Please note it down. First one, we'll discuss first organizational objectives. What do you mean by organization? Organization is a group of activities. In these organizational objectives of the management, first organization, the main intention to survive in the market, long run survival of the organization in the market. Next, second organizational objective is earning a reasonable profit, earning of profit. Second objective of any organization. First, long run survival of the business. Second one is earning the profit. Next, third one is growth and goodwill. Create very good name, fame, reputation in the business world and very good growth. When the growth, automatically the profit will become and survival also. One to another interlinks is organizational objectives. First one is survival of the business. Second one is profit. Third one is growth. Long run survival means continuously achieving the good results. Next, earning the profit. Next, growth or goodwill of the organization. Next, come to the social objectives of the business or management. To reduce environment pollutions, every organization eco-friendly, environment friendly. To safeguard the society, environment, different pollution, for example, air pollution, noise pollution, water pollution. To protect from these pollutions, to safeguard the environment, this is a basic responsibility of every citizen as well as every organization. Next, to create job or employment opportunities to the society. Why? Because society, in the society, the organization will be existed. In vice versa, the job opportunities provided to the different community peoples. Next, to provide quality goods and services. This is more important. Every organization providing quality products and services to the customers. Next, correct payment of taxes to the government. Yes, every organization right payment of taxes to the government, not escaping from the payment of taxes to the government according to the rules. Every year up to date payment of taxes. So this is a revenue generated to the country economic development. Next, to provide financial support to the social activities. For example, social activities. What are all the social activities? Helping to the blind peoples, church, temples, mosques, and social different social activities, NGOs, and educational background, students, educational purpose, some financial assistance given by the organizations. These are all the financial support to the social activities. Any social activity conducted in the society, for that some little bit of financial support is given by the organizations. Next, come to the third one, personal or individual. Personal means employees related. Individually objective or personal objective. To provide fair salary, wages, bonus to the workers. Yes, up to date, according to their work, they are going to pay salaries or wages or bonus to the workers or employees. This is a personal objective of a management. To provide job security to the workers. Safety and security is more important. Do not scared to work in the organization. Dare to work and happily work in the organization. They provide some security. Means job security up to 60 or 30 or 40 years agreement or 5 years agreement. Yeah, you have to work in my organization, like that. Some security facilities given to the employees means automatically they are going to work. To encourage workers participation in the management, yes, the management is going to consider the workers ideas, opinions in their management decisions. Workers also participate in the management decision. This is more important. Next, to provide good training and development to the workers. Training and development. Why we need training and development required? To do better work in an organization. Proper training gives proper work returns. Means work is to be done perfectly. Training is more important. Next, development. When training is for the new employees, development for the already existing employees given to the development activities. Training given to the new employees, those who are joining to the organization, newly joining to the organization. For them, training given by the superior peoples or experts. Next, development given to the existing employees. If any technical or any new implementation, we need development activities. There are 4 objectives. One is organizational objectives, social objectives and personal objectives. Very important for 4 marks. So next, come to the next topic, importance of management. There are 5 importance of management. First one is management helps to achieving group goals, not individual goals. Management helps to achievement of a group goals, achieving the overall organizational goals. Next, management increases the organizational efficiency. Yes, the proper management increasing the efficiency of an organization. Next, management create a dynamic organization, means changes according to the situations. The management gives directions to the peoples or employees in a different way. Next, management helps to achieving the individual objectives. Every employees have their own individual objectives. As today I am employee and tomorrow I want to become an employer or a promotion. They are expecting to achieving those objectives. For that, the management will be support is more important. Next, management helps in development of society. Yes, different societal activities means conducting some social welfare programs and environmental protection programs and society protection, safety, environment. So why? Because the management is existing in the society. So far, the development is more important to society. So management role is more important. This is also more important for 4 marks. Please make note. Next, important 8 marks. Management is an art and a science, or not a mutual exclusive. Comment or complement each other. This is 8 marks important. This will be continued in the next class. Please note this heading. Management is an art and a science, or not mutually exclusive. Complement each other. This is 8 marks important. This topic will be continued in next class. Thank you.